Mexican businessman Juan Hernandez has successfully developed his careers in both the furniture and catering industries in China over the past 14 years. After settling down in the southern Chinese city of Foshan in 2017, Juan found the mature industry supply chain, safe social environment, and inclusive business environment there have helped fulfill his dreams one by one.
I found that Foshan is one of the capital for furniture industry. Mainly from Foshan, we do furnitures. We have a cooperation with furniture companies doing sofas, doing bedrooms, doing kitchens. At the same time, we also do aluminum materials. This industry in China is also developed. You can also do tiles that I export before some, toilet materials, bedrooms, that everything is together with home decoration. China have teach us a lot of things, especially like how a country can develop with discipline, with hard work. This is a very, very important, a very good lesson for all the people who do business all over the world. I feel very proud is the safety in this country. Working in a country with a big safety for us is working in a very nice environment, and we can feel free to do business with Chinese people, with Chinese company, with everybody here. One of the reasons I came to China mainly is build the cooperation between our countries, China and Mexico. Then I start to think like how I can represent Mexico in China. And then one day, talking with my wife, I told her, I'm going to open a Mexican restaurant. So what we're doing here right now is putting the fish, and we're doing deep fry. This dish is traditional in the north part of Mexico. One by one on the pan, because it's the most important part to make a taco. When the people come to the restaurant, not only for the food, we need to give them a Mexican experience. People from UK, Spain, Africa, like Kenya, South Africa. I never think and meet people from Armenia, from Georgia, from Colombia, from Chile. They are here, and most of them they are neighbors. You know, it's like how many countries, how many people are living here in Foshan, and then you can exchange this knowledge. Wow, it's something like you don't expect to have these things. I mean, at least in Mexico, I never had a chance. But in Foshan, I had the chance. I arrived to China when I was 22 years old. Just graduated without experience, with a lot of dreams. And during those 14 years, I have seen some of those dreams are becoming true.